If you want the best video export settings in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the ideal settings to use so your videos look sharp, upload smoothly, and avoid unnecessary compression on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Whether you're exporting a talking head video, a gaming clip, or a short form edit, these settings will help you get the most professional result possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple editing guides. Let's jump into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC and finish your edit as normal. When you're ready to export, look for the export button in the top right corner and click it. This opens the export settings window, where you'll choose the options that make the biggest difference in quality. The first setting you want to pay attention to is resolution. For most videos, the best choice is 1080p, also known as Full HD. Even if you filmed in 580p, exporting in 1080p is often the sweet spot for social media because many platforms will compress your video anyway. By starting with a clean 1080p export, you can help prevent your content from being over-compressed, especially on apps like Instagram and TikTok. If you're uploading directly to YouTube and you want the highest possible quality, then 4K can be a good option, but for most creators, 1080p is the safest and most efficient choice. Next, set your frame rate. This should match your original footage as closely as possible. If your footage was recorded at 24 FPS, export at 24 FPS. If it was 30 FPS, keep it at 30 FPS. And if you're editing fast-paced game videos, sports footage, or action content, 60 FPS is usually the best choice because it keeps motion looking smooth and clean. The key here is consistency. Matching your export frame rate to your source footage helps avoid stutter, jitter, or weird motion issues in the final video. Now let's talk about format. The best format to use in CapCut PC is MP4. This is the most widely accepted format across almost every platform, device, and social media network. MP4 is reliable, easy to upload, and gives you great compatibility without creating unnecessary problems. If you want a format that just works everywhere, MP4 is the one to choose. After that, set your codec to H.264. This is one of the best codec options because it offers a strong balance between quality and file size while still being compatible with almost all platforms. H.264 is trusted by editors and creators because it delivers excellent results without causing playback issues on different devices. If your goal is smooth uploads and broad compatibility, H.264 is the way to go. The final setting you want to check is bitrate. For this, choose recommended or high quality. If you see both options, recommended is usually a safe choice, while high quality can give you a little more detail if you want to preserve as much sharpness as possible. Bitrate affects how much data is used to store the video, so setting it too low can make your export look blurry or blocky. That's why using recommended or high quality is the best balance for most creators. Once you've applied these settings, do one final check before exporting. Make sure the resolution is set to 1080p, the frame rate matches your footage, the format is MP4, the codec is H.264, and the bitrate is set to recommended or high quality. When everything looks right, click export and let CapCut render your video. And that's it. Those are the best CapCut PC export settings for clean, high-quality videos. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.